Today on 716 Dad Advice, we are going to make root beer floats in honor of Root Beer Float Day. So real easy to make. You need your mug, root beer, and some ice cream. Usually it's vanilla, but we didn't have it. So we're going to take our ice cream here and put it a scoop, 2 scoops into the mug here. There we go. It's my assistant. Thank you. And she put another scoop in. You can use pretty much any ice cream that you like, but usually people use vanilla. And we had cookies and cream, so that's what we used here. And then we take our mug root beer, and you're going to pour it in. And make sure you don't fizz. A nice pour there. And enjoy this on a nice hot summer day. Thanks for watching, and hope everyone has a great day. Please remember to subscribe and share. Enjoy.